Mi Falalo Correctional Service Port Vila Vanuatu bin paem one biogas system. Suppose you got interest below paem one biogas unit, you must work him every day, from sometimes Hemi no work awesome Hemia. Be mi fella bin make him work and mi fella want him share him success below mi fella below video here. Biogas Hemi producing one methane gas where you say use them below cook. But you must use a methane gas. Suppose bag Hemi swell up, Hemi full, you must on him gas and burn him. Biogas Hemi wants sustainable energy and mi fella been using below reducing LPG below mi fella. But biogas Hemi also producing one good fella fertiliser below garden. Below findem biogas, you either use them kitchen scraps, or you either use them in combination with them scraps below local market and scraps below garden. And you either stop them plenty kakai go low landfill. Me fella swap them out fertiliser with the mamalo market with them old food scraps. They feed them biogas below yumi. Chop them small before you put them inside the biogas. Scale them custom 6 kg low 1 biogas every day.
What I know is let me see what I know playing go que before you use by you have a forma blow bubet you stop one day blow power blow chlorine you finish after you have a butum go low Biogaz from say by you was you butum there go low Biogaz by me have a kilimol pepet will stop inside low Biogaz you know them blow kilim de all pepet you say butum rainwater, you say butum rainwater direct. Because some rainwater low tank, you say butum direct. 7 kilo.
Add them custom 6 kg water low 1 biogas every day. Before you start low feed them, water come out. Spare him first time, blow turn him down.
Mr. Vitim now. Vitim now. Spam me palm Mr. After me make him say Hemi tanem down. Okay. Hemi tanem ya. After make him say Caspian me come Okay. And me palm say stem after this selling butum kakai go. Tem stop palm, tem stop butum water. So something we know say kakai lo mod blue, tooth blue. You know butum go inside lo Biogaz. As modu pa you know safe butum nit pool mo butum skin lo problemus we mino sa butum oil we mino sa butum tipak so so butum tipak ko pa emi sta float no mo emi no safe come out Yes, same time you stuff full my water, 6 kilo kakai, the 6 kilo water. The time you look say water you know go come on our side low, you continue blow butum water you must drop on our side low. Make him say work low na Biogaz.
Time if I need an extra bottle, if I make him one beach cleanup. He could blow encourage him customer blow return him old bottle.
Yes, same time you full my finish, butum. After you safe was some handle lo soap from me sit lo bulu or kakai we steam what up lo katena we run irame. Must was some handle lo soap. Before you that some kakai you kakai.
Storm old fertiliser low sado from sun Hemi kill 'em all bebet. Time you wash them garden with some fertiliser, you must mix them 1 bottle fertiliser with them 5 bottle water. Wash them ground, close up blow stumper blow plant. Make sure you wash them hand good blow you from sitsit blow bullock. With them extra kakai blow market, me fella been digging one compost. We've been suck 'em low one hole, blow block 'em rat, add 'em carton, with them all leaf blow numbunga tree. Me fella been selling extra biogas fertiliser blow me fella low one market. We've been selling 1 big bottle low 100 vatu. Suppose you want more biogas fertiliser, come low gate, low prison house, low start. Bring 'em fresh kakai where you got 2 months low him. After, buy you me make 'em 1 tray. Or just come paem low gate.
On them, then off him. On them, off him.
You could blow check every week, say you got water, you stop low gas line. Suppose you got, open them tap, on them, off them. Every 2 minutes, me fella must top 'em up biogas with an extra fresh sitsit blow bullock. Me fella go low abattoir blow collect 'em.
Normally, Biogas Hemi smell on some daska.
Suppose biogas Hemi stink, bad one, add 'em 2 big bucket water, and they go feed 'em from 2 day, custom time where Hemi, stink too much, and then start blow feed 'em small back again normal, just 2 kg la 1 day, 3 kg, bring 'em back, custom time Hemi work back again.
Butuh mall sel tandap. Make him say sampai ini konten ini hitim. Time kesani hitim mo ini produksi mo kasih kamantap.
Me fella low correctional, stop happy 2 months, blow helping you fella with some biogas unit, blow you fella.